Imagine a world unrecognizable to us today. A planet cloaked in darkness, its skies choked with toxic gases, oceans thick with chemical stew, and life struggling to survive. For billions of years, Earth was ruled by the tiniest, hardiest of survivors. Simple microbes eking out an existence in a world that would kill almost anything else. Then, without warning, the invisible architects arrived. Cyanobacteria. Tiny, seemingly insignificant, yet harboring a power no other creature possessed. They learned to capture the sun, to turn light into energy, and in the process, they released a gas that would change everything. Oxygen. At first, this oxygen was a poison. The ancient seas, once teeming with anaerobic life, became a deadly trap. Countless species suffocated, billions of years of evolution obliterated. The oceans boiled with death. The atmosphere became a chemical battleground, and the planet itself seemed to convulse under the invisible invasion. This was Earth's first mass extinction, the Great Oxygenation Event. A catastrophe wrought, not by fire, not by ice, not by asteroid, but by life itself. And yet, in the midst of this darkness, a paradox emerged. The very gas that killed so many also carried the seeds of new beginning. Life, relentless and stubborn, began to adapt. Some microbes learned to survive in this toxic air. Others evolved to use oxygen, turning poison into power. It was a lesson written in survival. Evolution waits for no one, and adaptation is life's greatest weapon. The cyanobacteria, through their quiet persistence, had reshaped the very chemistry of the planet. They had destroyed ancient worlds, but in their wake, they created possibilities no one could have imagined. The oxygen they released allowed cells to merge, to grow more complex, and to form mitochondria, the engines of energy that power every living being today. Without them, humans could never have existed. Consider this. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, every spark of thought is made possible because a microscopic microbe conquered the planet's chemistry. The cyanobacteria remind us that even the smallest forces can wield unimaginable power, that the slow, patient work of life can reshape the fate of the entire world. They are both killers and creators, harbingers of destruction and architects of possibility. From their struggle, life learned to rise again, stronger and more diverse. So when we think of survival, of resilience, of evolution, let us remember the cyanobacteria. They teach us that even in darkest time, when the world seems determined to crush life beneath its weight, transformation is possible. Catastrophe can birth creation, death can spark opportunity, and the tiniest life form can leave the greatest legacies.